Welcome to our class. The name of the lesson is Tortured English. So you can have some part of the lesson has been seen in two previous classes. You can also again have the review of the lesson in this lesson about what the views of R.K. Narayan has been given in these lessons. So totally the words and how you are going to have your views about the language and all with the parts of the impressions that are being given well known to our culture of the British and American language there that has been suggested for us. Then how we are going to respect our language with respect to the different countries. So this is the concept lying behind of the lesson which is going to be put together there. Then totally about the essay that has been given as he has given the underlying the need to evolve the form of Indian English, that people should have to respect the norms of the language and they should have to respond to the cultural context, so that however you are going to making you yourself in the viewing of respecting each and other with all traditions and cultures. Similarly also with the knowing of the language or with the knowing of the language of the terms of the words, one has to expose, and these are the words that you are going to study with the language of the words, that one should respond to this cultural context there. So then what are these cultural context of the words that are being given in our lesson are some parts of the words. So ceremoniously you can see the words are being given as trespassing is prohibited, and absolutely you can see that no parking, no leaves, and speculation of the motor is centered near such places of the peering groups are studying the notices there, and where you are going to have our situation authorities, and that can be taken into the vehicle stationed there. So at that there you can see do not enter, go, or even wait with the crossing symbols of these pedestrians of the traffic crossings over, just saying of the small words go or wait. Even you should have to see the differentiation of the words, how you are going to say, please, the way of the behaving of words which are going to give even in a changing of the language and the changing of the voice of the noticeable of the person can be known by the correct usage of the words there. And these are the things that one's personality can be understood by the making of themselves, not to be disturbed by others there. So this is the keeping out of the personality, where you are going to exhibit ourselves with enjoying with the others by the usage of all this language of the words there. And again in one more part you can see these toasting of English can be achieved through the means of these Americans and British of the keywords that are being used from dictionary meanings, and not only anywhere the expressions can be used and they can be blindly uttered even with the appropriate occasions. Those are I will check means I will find out or investigate or examine. So for that checking is the word they have been given in the language of America as the investigate is given, examine is given, scrutinize is given, verify is given, probe is given. Your check means your ticket. For that also they have been given with the one more room, that is check room, while where you are going to leave your position for even a while. Check girl is the person, one who takes off your coat or umbrella, anything of your else, while the girl is into the custody of check in or check out. We have already seen the two words of this check in and check out. At the first I heard check in or check out, and rather it can be disturbed by other cells there. Then one more word is being given as fabulous there. Fabulous is one more the word that is used in the country freely without much premeditation there. So of course you can see everywhere the word is used in the country freely, and but the American has enlarged its sense as the lady in Wisconsin declared, oh those cats mine are fabulous. Then how she is saying with the word of the fabulous is eccentric or with insinuation of the charming of lunacy is being expressed in that language of the word fabulous. Okay, okay is another well-known example that has been given in the easiest sound of the emanated of the human vocal cords there. Everyone knows her, and that sense can be given with the self-sufficient, which no needs of a person to suffix of any special request for the listener there. So for the special request of the listener, they have been given as a sir, a darling is unthinkable, and Y-E-A-H is uttered. So Y-E-A-H is uttered in a short base of the tongue, and the almost of the snaps of the continuation of a sentence. S involves as a small sibilant. They could not prolong the words of these words there. So that for that thing they have been given as the word as okay is the example. So you can see all the words that are being given with the having of the different meanings of the words that are being covered from these extract there. So this is one more example which you can see with the having of the refinements of the usage in countries that are being taken where the bazaar has status of the study or in London there. So you will have a never hear the conductor crying of taking of an example. They have been given the ticket there. So they have been given one example for the conductor in a bus who is taking as a ticket there, and he is again approaching each and every passenger to say ticket, ticket. So he need not hear the conductor's cry. You can also give. While coming to the passengers, he says thank you on receiving fares. On receiving fares, he just came to the passenger and is just standing there and having thank you. I found that someone could calculate the number of passengers by having the total number of thanks heard, because all the people, those who are sitting, they are only saying with the thanks. With the thanks of hearing only, he is calculated the number of the persons who has been in the bus has been calculated by the example of the thanks there. Then have you ever any business, you can state it eventually or evidently. He can say you wander here and there in a long place and go away. A man who wants to pass, you can say the word with the excuse me there, and while he may be with the justice, or what do you mean by the gapping of the word? Everybody's passes there. So stand aside, or by capping, or by taking. All these things, the busy person of secretary may ask the card of a busy man's secretary. He appears and whispers in your ear, would you like to wait it? So he is asking again in one more sentence, would you like to wait it? No. The tone is one of the consultation. You have really no choice in the matter. So the thing is to do, not to answer the question, but he is saying only one thanks for a comfortable seat in the waiting room there. So although you may feel like saying, no, I would not like to wait, I would have to ever the other things do it. So as the time considers, these are the words that are being given with the examples of the R.K. Narayan's view that one should respect the language by the having of their norms, and they should have to equally please with the cultural context which they are going to equality in the having of the making of themselves in the undergoing of respecting of the norms of the language there. Then naturally the time comes. The time has come for us to consider seriously the question of birth brand of English now. Now the time of for us it came considered in seriously in the having of the question that which we are making ourselves with the Bharat brand of English, which is going to transfer here and there, so that English had comparatively confined existence in our country. Now you can see with the languages which are different from American, British, and even the India also, you can have to see that even that Bharat is nothing but you can take it as your Indian English. So far that has comparatively confined existence in our country that can be taken in the halls of learning and justice and administration there. So now this is the time where you are going to hear in the walls of learning justice or administration. Now is the time for it. Come dustily, street, marketplace, and under the banyan tree. So you can see where the time is there, and the time is ripe for it to come to the dusty street where you can see Why they are making themselves in the making of the themselves as a dusty street, as many people are making their time in the moving of existence here and there under the dust and marketplace of under banyan tree. English must adopt complexion. English must adopt complexion. So English must adopt complexion of our life and assimilate as its idiom there. So you can say that you can take as this as a idiom there, and you can assimilate, or you can take it, assimilate the time and making this as the English as an idiom there by making itself as its idiom. So I am not suggesting here a mongrelization. So I am not suggesting here a mongrelization of the language. So we are not making this mongrelization. You can see crossbreeding or mixing with the varieties of word indiscriminately. So we are not discriminating with the other language into this package. So you are for differentiating of all the 4 languages, that we are making it into the use of ourselves now. So that is nothing but we are not suggesting here a mongrelization of the language. So that cannot mix with these Indian English. So all the languages are individually, differently. They should have to respect their law and maintain it with all the things that are going to be taken underneath the language of the concepts that has to be taken. So for that itself, we are not making, or we are not giving any suggestions to have here of this mongrelization of the language. I am not recommending that we should go back to the days when we heard particularly in the railway. Now you are going to, he has given with one example, particularly when we are traveling in a railway. We are going, man. So we are you, where are you going, man? So that is there. So the language of the railway, particularly the railway people, how they are going to use, when we hear from them, that will be very differently heard for us in the sort of maintaining our grammar there. So that is the thing, where you are going, man. So the particularly the railway people, from them we are going to hear like this. But Bharat English will respect the rule of law and maintaining the dignity of grammar. So now here, so the grammar, the maintaining of these American language, British language, and even then that for separatization rules with the speaking in the maintaining of the dignity of the grammar is fairly differentiated from our grammar. So but still we have Swadeshi stamp on it unmistakably, like the Madras handloom check shirt or the Tirupati doll. So that you can see with the maintenance of these Swadeshi stamp is there mistakenly, like the Madras handloom check shirt. So you can take with the handloom shirt of Madras that has been given with the handloom when it is compared with the Madras there, and the dolls which are going to prepare from these the place of Tirupati there. So these are all the things where you are going to identify with the specializations of these Madras and Tirupati. For the making of these Madras is for handlooms, and dolls preparation is for Tirupati there. So at last we can say that these are the points from which toasting is done. When it is given in the form of heating only, you can have naturally the quality of the quality of the eating of the slice of the bread piece changes. Like that only, if you go different parts of our country, if they come, they had invaded also, they have invaded for which thing, for the expansion and for their own self commercial and economic development. So that is why the expansion of British, then they came, we learnt from that language, and we should have to respect to give the norms of the Indian English equally to the culture of our context. In that situation, we should have to make and maintain the dignity of the grammar as making ourselves as a Swadeshi stamp, like the Madras of handloom or Tirupati, making of the dolls that has been given there. So in the last conclusion we can say that these are the points which where you are going to have your discrimination to improve ourselves in all the qualities of maintenance of ourselves by making of ourselves in the cultural contrast, in making of the usage of the language there. So this is the theme where you are going to make you ourselves to refine mostly in the form of the language that can improve of each of the person when they are going to make themselves in the having of their appearances in 4 different or other different languages while they are going to use other than this English language. Then how the poet has been given his views, you can have to recollect by the having of these making of the culturalization to improve mostly for their wide expansion and making themselves their trade and commerce for the development of all these programs they have been given them in the sort of learning the language is equally important at the form in the form of these toasting of the word example he has been compared and the changes has been done in the English language by the making itself in the process of oven or by heating them. So when you come to the glossary of the words, you can see the words of the meanings of the glossary of the words can be used. Those are toasted. Toasted is the word, you can see betterly, made brown and crispy by heating. Here it refers to the changes of the English language. So toasted is given, made brown and crispy by heating. That is the process which had been done. So the reference or the reference of the changes in the English language has become in the process of the slice of bread piece is heating there. So muffin is there, that is a small or cup shaped bread. Formalism, and where you can see this formalism is nothing but strict attention to outward the framing of forms and rules. And stifling is being given. Stifling is suffocating, making one feel oppressed there, making one feel oppressed there. Then tyranny, unjust or oppressive use of the power there. So tyranny is unjust or oppressive, the use of the power has been given. Ceremoniously is the word, or ceremonious, that you can see the exclusively formal or polite. Not to mince words is to speak plainly or frankly. So not to mince words is nothing but you should have to speak plainly and frankly. Chuck is there to throw someone out or someone. So chuck is nothing but to throw someone out. Scores of other uses. A score is given for 20 people of things. So score of other uses that has been given. Score is for 20 or things. As a dozen of 12, the plural scores means many. Insinuation. Insinuation is an indirect hint there. So insinuation and indirect hint. Vocal cords are nothing but the two pairs of the vocal cords of the folds of folds in the larynx that enables us to produce sounds there. So vocal cords, the pair of two folds in the larynx that enable us to produce sounds. Sibilant, making or hissing sound with yes, z and sha sound there. So you can see here the words of these having of making a hissing sound, that is yes, z, z sound and sha sound with the etc. Where English as a bazaar status, where the English language is of the common people. So this is of the common people that has been given there. And idiom is nothing but, idiom you can say the common usage of the language people of the region where they are going to have their particularly saying or resorting there. And mongrel is there. Mongrelization, crossbreeding, mixing breeds of varieties of indiscriminately with the languages of irrespective of 3 types. So these are the glossary words. You can also see with the comprehension questions in the next session. Thank you.